How you doing? I'm Bud Deitz, the owner of HJ Deitz Incorporated. We just finished up in Applebee's with the NewBrick system. Talking to my guys, everything seemed to run fine. I found it very easily to use the NewBrick compared to the thin brick. The architect, owner, everybody seemed to love it. Can't wait till we do our next job.
I'm Ed Deitz. I'm a road superintendent for HJ Deitz Incorporated. We worked on Applebee's project in the Philadelphia area. It was the first job in the area with the NewBrick project. And we couldn't be happier with the product itself. Talking to my guys and supervising, it's easy, it's lightweight, it's easily adaptable to the substrate that we were going over at the time, ICFs. Using the AP adhesive gave us plenty of time to work with moving the product into the position it needs to be in. And, we hope to do a lot more work with it.
Hi, I'm Brian Edwards. I work for HJ Deitz. I'm an applicator installer. I worked on the Applebee's, and I just want to emphasize on the product, how easy it is to apply and set up, clean up. Everything is a breeze, and it was very enjoyable using the product, learning and installing. So I just wanted to, let everyone know I can't wait to do the next job.
My name's Phil Neff. I'm with Manning Materials. We're the distributor of Dryvit. My role was to speak to the architect, make sure that they got all their concerns answered. They were a little, a little hesitant at first, but they came along. They agreed to do it, and then I guess the bottom line is, once the project was completed, I met them out on site, and they were completely happy with it. And it went a lot better than what they thought it was going to, and it actually looked better than what they thought it was going to look like.
Hi, I'm Eric Hammaker. I'm the field service manager for the Mid-Atlantic region. Had a great experience working with the NewBrick and working with the HJ Deitz organization. Application went, I thought, exceptionally well. They were real willing to learn, understand and take in what I was able to teach them on layout and then the actual application. The newer corners worked out perfect for us, and layout was great, and the architect and everybody else thought it turned out great. So thank you.